What's this thing got? 915s?
12.
12 15s. Jeep. DC audio 9K running the bass. Got some Fosgate. Some Alpine on the mids and highs. Ooh. Alright, so Kasey's over here and he wants to set up his gains properly, and I think we can do that. So go ahead and pop that disc in. Let's see track 1. Okay, so we did this like this on purpose. We've got an RCA with probes on it, so you can unplug that, and just for checking the deck, you can plug directly in to your RCA coming in. What's this doing? Turn it on. Alright, is everything flat on the deck? 1000 hertz showing up. There you go, distortion right there. There you go. Distortion, there it's off. It's back on again. There you go, man. That amp is set, and I'll step up and do that one right there. Alright, so now it's time to set that amp. Should be just as easy as that one, if not easier. So go ahead and handle it, man. It's your car.
Distortion.
There's your distortion. There it is. It's gone. Okay, man, that amp is set. You're done. Now we just got to set up your bass amp, and it'll be a done deal. Cool. All right, this thing has 12 15, so we're going to go 40 hertz minus 10 dB instead of minus 15. Start turning the gain up. When you get to red, leave it there for a second so we can see the distortion. You distort and back it off a little. There you go. Your bass amp is set. You're good. You're good to go. Start hooking your wires back up. All right. Gains are all set properly. Time to take a quick little listen. Hooking 12 DC audio 15s. Looking good. Kasey's new G-Ride, bumping hard. All right, man, let us know if those mids sound any better. I think we're more worried about your mids and highs than anything else, though, huh?
Yeah.
Well, let me know if they're any better. Let's bump that shit. All right, man. Overall, what do you think about that distortion detector? Is it worth the money?
It's worth the money. It's so easy to use, and it makes a world of a difference. Whether you need more power out of it or you're clipping it, it's way worth it.
Yep.
Way worth it.
Cool, man. No distortion at all, man. You can turn it all the way up to our decks, the volume ceiling on the deck, and know that you ain't gonna distort or anything the whole time. So that's good. It actually sounded pretty clean.
Yeah.
So
I like it.
Right on. That's review number 3. G.